Hi guys, Ying here and we're back with another crypto airdrop. This is all about Gradient Network. If you guys familiar with Grass airdrop, then this is the same thing. So you will earn free tokens using your internet data, internet Wi-Fi or mobile data. So you will earn free tokens lang kapag naka-on yung data nyo or Wi-Fi. Pero kung hindi siya naka-on or hindi kayo connected sa Wi-Fi, you will not earn tokens or you will not earn points. Yan, so Gradient Network is the open layer for edge compute on Solana. So this is a Solana-based project. At yun nga, marami namang magagandang project sa Solana. So I think this is worth it gawin natin. So in just 30 days, we've seen extraordinary growth. So yung Gradient Network, guys, is ano pa lang siya, 30 days pa lang. So, napakabago pa lang niya. At makikita nyo naman dito sa followers niya. Nasa almost 200,000 followers pa lang. Kunti pa lang yung nakakaalam. And then, 30 days pa lang. So, we still have more time to earn more tokens. So, now let's go to the website. Dito, guys, I suggest na you need to upload, install. You need to install Kiwi browser or Mises kasi mas mabilis siyang gumana kapag gumamit tayo ng browser. Pwede nyo naman siya, guys, i-download sa Play Store or Apple Store. I-search nyo lang dyan Kiwi browser. Ayan, Kiwi browser, yan yung may ibon, yan yun yung blue logo, yan yung need natin i-download at dyan natin i-open si Gradient Network. Okay, so let's go to Kiwi browser. And then ipipaste ko lang naman yung, actually guys, dito ko ginagawa yung yung ibang airdrop na same kay Gradient Network like NodePay or Grass kasi mas mabilis nga siya dito. So punta na ako kay Gradient Network. Dito ko siya bubuksan. Ayan guys, so kailangan natin mag-sign up. You can sign up using your email, enter nyo lang dyan, or sign up with Google. So, since naka-open naman yung Google account ko dito, I will open it using my Google account. No, not this one. Ayan guys, so pipiliin lang kayo ng account kung saan nyo gustong i-open si Gradient and then continue nyo lang. Yan. Oops. Yan guys. So ito yung website ng Gradient Network. Dito natin makikita yung mga rewards natin. Pero syempre guys, para ma-connect siya automatic dun sa internet natin, we need to download the extension. So, ito lang naman guys. Ito lang yung extension ni Gradient. Click lang natin download. Ayan. So, add to Chrome. Yan, yung blue sa taas. Yan. So, add to Chrome lang. Okay. Oops. Hintayin natin guys na ma-add. Ayan. Okay na siya. Ayan. So, gawin muna natin guys yung task natin. Since one time lang naman to, we will earn additional 1,000 na XP kapag in-follow natin sila sa Twitter. So, click to join. Oops. Wait lang. Ayan guys, so yung task na to, I tried to do the task pero hindi daw siya compatible sa mobile. Pero if you guys have laptop or computer, you can join this task para makuha nyo yung 1,000 additional XP. Guys, dito naman sa Gradient Network, once na inopen nyo nga siya sa Kiwi browser, automatic na siya mag-farm ng points basta naka-on lang yung internet ninyo. Pero you can also invite your friends. Sabi dito guys, both parties. So ikaw at yung in-invite nyo, you will earn 20 points every qualified referrals and additional perpetual 10% na bonus. So share you lang yung link ninyo, and then need lang din nila maging online, and yun, they will get additional points and you will earn also additional 20 na points. Pero keep in mind guys na yung points na may ipon natin even doon sa internet natin ay mag-a-appear lang siya within 72 hours. So kung makikita nyo dyan na kakabukas nyo or may connected device naman kayo, ayan, nakita nyo naman dito guys, may connected device pero zero pa rin yung rewards ninyo kasi nga within 72 hours pa naman mag-a-appear. So that's all for today guys. I hope na gawin nyo din si Gradient, just like grass lang din naman din to. So yan, dito makikita nyo status good, so that means na connected at maayos naman yung connection ko or internet ko. You can also follow their Twitter para marami kayong mapagtanungan or mag-engage sa community nila, and then also you can have information kung ano na ba yung magiging update or progress ng project. And then if you guys want more free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, you can also subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.